Hello, welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with a Dickin around in the shed. Anybody know what Larry's? Anybody know a Larry H68 HD? I need his address. He won't give me his address. Might have to wait the van. This one I'm gonna hand deliver it, you know. But anyway, that's what we do, and kind of just dicking around with signs. Yeah. Guess I'm getting better at it. People starting to ask for them. Find that intro. But first, hey, welcome back to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with another episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. Today, we just dicking around. We fixing to go on a trip. Maybe the last one of the year, I don't know. So, we'll check tire pressure and oil pressure and fuel gauges and all like that before we leave. I got a light out. It's not completely out. It just want to flicker. So I think the ballast is going out. Well, see, it works now. Maybe, I don't know. It was flickering a while ago. Earlier. So what I was going to do is just change it out for one of the ones on the wall over there. So let's do that and see if this can start working again. I thought it's LED, so it shouldn't. I don't know. Alright, there it goes. See what I mean? It's like a disco. Blink, 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 blink. So I guess when it gets hot, oh well. Alright, we got the light right here. So I'm going to go up here and take this one off without bumping my head. Oh. So it's pretty simple. I just got them hung up here with the hooks that they come with. So we just take that off. And take that off right there. Yep, got it. Sit there right there. Then I'm gonna pull the cord. Why is it not coming? Alright. Just right out there. This. There it goes. Alright. That's that bad one. Now, flip this over. Put the plug on the right end. I'll try and do that. Dang it. It's probably 100 degrees hotter up here in this, closer to the sun. Closer to the sun. Alright. Just hang this up. Hook. How did you hang there before? Okay. So undo this. The hardest problem is now I'm gonna get it over there to plug it up. Well, let's see what we can do about that. How we can run it over this. That's gonna be tricky. I need a hook on the other side. I need to move. Just don't step on our light. Alright. So I got me a piece of what is this? 1/8 round bar. I put a hook on it so I can go fishing. Yep. Well, where you at? There you are. Let's hook that. I'm an electrician and you know it. I'm an electrician and I know it. So now we gotta take this male. This is the male because it's got stuff that sticks out. It goes into the female because it's any. So any female connected to the male makes. Aha! Why you turned up crooked like that as I pulled you? Huh. Alright, now we got it. Hey! We'll see if that light starts frickling here. If it's not, maybe got a connection bad or something. But why would it just make, I don't know. I think this, the ballast or whatever's in this, get too hot. And yeah, so it's not letting it. Put your stuff back up. Not through it, I put my tools up. Well, we just found out that it is the light. The light's bad. I don't know what is that, epilepsy? If you're watching this, don't, I hope, morning. Whew. Alrighty, so what else? I'm just gonna bend up some letters for metals. I got a lot of stuff that I gotta make. Yeah. Got a year to make it, almost less than a year. So I hope you enjoyed the light maintenance. Maintenance light. So I might not do anything. It's Sunday. And oh yeah, let me show you this. So we got this I made for a big time YouTuber. I hope he gets to him. And I hope it don't go through Palmetto, Georgia. Because I made Chestnut Mountain Tin Man 1. And hopefully by the time this airs, which will be the end of September, his would get there. It's been sitting in Palmetto Distribution Center. That's the United States Postal Service for you. So maybe I get money back on it. I don't know. Just it ain't moved, but they know where it's at. Can't lose it. It's a big box. So I'm putting like 3 different colors on this. Right now it's just gonna be silver. I'm just outlining it in silver because if you guess the alien is gonna be green and then the key line. Yeah. So I know you don't want to watch me paint and watch paint dry. I stink. Whew, sweaty. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna do for today. Let that dry, then I can tape it off, and then put my key lime and green on it. It's supposed to be out of this world because that's. If you watch Full Custom Ian, go check him out. I've been watching. Anyway, he used to be Full Custom Garage on the Motor Trend channel. I think he still is. I think he made 9 seasons. But I've been watching him for a long time. But now, since he's doing YouTube, he communicates with everybody, and I like the way he builds. Anyway, go watch me build something here, in here, and hit my subscribe button. We'll see you later, alligator. Catch you later, crocodile.